subscribe to Android Discovery channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Friends, welcome to our new fresh episode. Now we talk about Lenovo Yoga 13's Ryzen edition. Lenovo Yoga 13's Ryzen edition features a metal body with a minimum thickness of 13.8 mm. Also, it weighs around only 1.22 kilograms. This laptop is powered by an AMD Ryzen 5 5600U processor. Chipset is paired with 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB SSD. As for software, it runs Microsoft Windows 11. Laptop sports a 13-inch LCD panel with a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, 100% sRGB color gamut, and TÜV certification for low blue light emission. Display supports DC dimming, Dolby Vision, and smart screen brightness. As far as connectivity is concerned, the notebook comes with Wi-Fi 6, 2x USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm headphone jack. Other features of this computer include a full-size backlit keyboard, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, modern standby, and Windows Hello facial authentication system. Last, the laptop is backed by a 50 watt-hours battery with support for 65 watts USB PD fast charging. Lenovo Yoga 13's 2021 Ryzen edition price not confirmed. But the notebook is already up for pre-order and it is scheduled to go on sale from October 5th. So friends, how did you like this laptop? Do let us know by commenting in the comment box. And friends, if you have come to our channel for the first time, then subscribe to our channel. You will continue to get such interesting videos every day on this channel.